and with the heart of a doctor and the resolve of a crusader, fought tirelessly for the rights of his people. Whether helping Mexican-American veterans access government assistance or shining the light on the plight of migrant workers, Dr. Garcia offered a path to empowerment and justice for those in his community and beyond. I'm sorry I can't be with you today to celebrate Dr. Garcia's remarkable achievements, but with your support and the creation of a new wing at the A&M Library to house his papers, they will never be forgotten. I give thanks for Dr. Garcia's lifelong courage and compassion and send my best wishes for a meaningful celebration. William Jefferson Clinton.
Person that comes around every century. You're not going to see another one like him. A person that dedicated his entire life, over 50 years of his life, at great, tremendous personal sacrifice to help other people. Not just medically, but helping them with citizenship, helping them when there was ever a sense of discrimination in their lives. Just a very kind individual, and I think that is so missed right now, that there's so much Democrat versus Republican, and I think he was not like that. I think he just wanted what was right for everybody, and he knew the Constitution backwards and forwards, and he knew what was right and what was legal and what was not. And so he pushed his way through Congress, getting laws passed that benefited this whole country. And I think that's what we miss about someone like that the most, someone that was there to really do the right thing.
He was probably the most dedicated, determined man that I had ever met in my life. Any project that he started, he never gave up. And they're all involved in electronics and all the games and stuff that they play and cell phones. And I asked him, I said, do you know all the accomplishments that Dr. Hector did? He had no cell phone, he had no computer, he had no fax, no emails, he didn't have... You imagine what he could do today if he had the media that he could get to as quickly as he can today.
The state of Texas and the nation was tremendous. And what he was an individual who was a doctor. He was the ultimate public servant. Not only did he try to bring issues to the forefront, but he took care of people. He was an individual that took care of us two ways, medically, and he took care of us spiritually.
And he really had a kind heart for everyone. And if you came to see him and you couldn't pay him, he didn't care. He would take care of you anyway. There are stories of him when people had to go to the hospital for care. He would give them the money to get admitted.
And Dr. Garcia was one of the few that made up his mind that he was going to do everything he could to help his people.
And it was amazing because what I saw there was a man of conviction, a man of drive, and a man who stood on principle and treated everyone with dignity and respect. It was just an amazing experience for me as a young boy.
Beneficiary of the first Dr. Hector P. Garcia Foundation Scholarship. We have two deserving students to receive that scholarship over the next 2 years during their junior and senior year of high school.
There's so many people that do not know about Dr. Hector. His passion for people, his passion for this country, and his passion for education. If we can help students with education and scholarships, we can help the universities to be able to display Dr. Hector's papers with the addition of the wing. We can help veterans to acquire things that they may need through our foundation and hopefully through funds that are provided.
Make sure people know about Dr. Garcia. Promote him on a national level where he needs to be. not only giving out scholarships in his name, but what's so important to me is that